Okay, everybody, so I got my little glorified lawnmower. I have a bigger tractor, I'll show you in this video. But see these rows of hay here? So I'm gonna say they're 4x5s at least, and they're heavy. But I just want to show you this little tractor. It ain't made for this kind of abuse, but it holds up. It blows my mind. So for all the haters, try to do this one-handed. It's heavy now. It's dangerous. Not for the faint of heart. Now it won't lift it. You have to kind of work it. But it'll hold it. Flip it over real easy. Once I clear the trailer, I'll let her down close to the ground. That way it won't flip me over. Some people say, get a real tractor, get a big tractor. Well, I have a real tractor. It's a Kubota M Series. It's a 50 horse. And, but I bought it new, and when I bought it new, I didn't get a front end loader on it because I thought, I don't need a front end loader. Yes, I did. So I always said if I bought anything else, it's gonna have a front end loader on it. And I actually bought the little green tractor for other purposes. Mowing my grass, light duty backhoe work, you know, that type of thing. But boy, that front end loader has been such a blessing. So I'm not saying it's safe. It's not safe. I'm not telling you to go out there and do that and tear your machine up. What I'm telling you is it's pretty tough. If it tears up tomorrow, oh, it's well paid for itself.